Noong 8 ng Desyembre taong 1980, ang British musician na si John Lennon, na sumikat bilang miyembro ng English rock band na The Beatles, na nagkaroon din ng matagumpay na solo career, ay binaril ni Mark David Chapman, isang obsessed fan sa New York City, na nagdulot ng pandaigdigang kalungkutan at pagdadalamhati.
Came up behind him and called to him. He emptied the .38 caliber gun and shot John Lennon.
Have arrested Mark David Chapman of 55 South Kukui Street, Hawaii, for the homicide of John Lennon.